Hello, my favorite humans. Yes, you've reached the wavelength of ether-light. And I am excited because I'm able to get in touch with all of you. I understand this internet thing, you can reach people all over the world. Well, I'm seeking the smartest people in the world, okay? Uh, I've done all my research and found out that on Earth, they believe that matter and light are not the same thing. So I need to find the smartest people on Earth. I'm soliciting you right now to just answer me that question. Is light and matter the same? Just give me a yes or no. If you care to elaborate, you may do so. But please, answer this question for me. That's all I have. Ether dash light. Brought to you by Ether dash light. Brought to you by Ether dash light.